Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best laser temperature guns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Etekcity Lasergrip 1080 non-contact digital laser infrared thermometer. Etekcity is known for some of the best medical devices and appliances. In keeping with their reputation, they have come out with the 1080 Lasergrip digital laser infrared thermometer. It is quite versatile and can handle temperatures in the range -50 to 550 degrees centigrade. It is ergonomic looking and comes with a stunning yellow and black color combination. The design is also quite versatile. It is known for its accuracy, and it also is durable and long-lasting. The distance-to-spot ratio is 12:1, which actually means that the laser thermometer can measure temperatures of surfaces even if they are located quite far off. Moving on at number 4, we have the HOLDPEAK 981C non-contact digital laser infrared thermometer temperature. HOLDPEAK is a well-known and respected company which has been around for the past many years. They have offered some of the most customer-friendly appliances, and hence there are reasons to believe that this model number 981C could be a good buy. It is non-contact in the true sense of the term. This could be considered as one of the best laser temperature gun choices. It has a unique color screen display. It also comes with a 12-point aperture which helps the user to choose the right surface. The emissivity can be adjusted from 0.10 to 100. At number 3, we have the SOVAR infrared thermometer, digital IR laser thermometer temperature. This digital IR laser temperature thermometer is often considered to be one of the most rugged, compact and easy-to-use laser thermometers on the market today. It works just by aiming and pushing the button. It helps the users to read the surface temperature in a second and that too accurately. This laser temperature thermometer is considered suitable for measuring accurately and safely measuring temperatures of risky and hazardous surfaces. This thermometer is suitable for industrial usage and also for daily household use. At number 2, we have the Rhinoco digital laser temperature gun infrared thermometer. Rhinoco is quite well known for offering reliable and high-quality infrared thermometer for versatile use. People believe that this is a good buy with some smart and customer-friendly features. This laser temperature gun is attractive and stunning in looks and is also extremely ergonomic and easy to grip. It is lightweight and has a number of unique features. And finally at number 1, we have the Amprobe IR 710 infrared thermometer. The Amprobe IR 710 infrared thermometer could be the ideal choice if you are keen on an accurate and efficient reading of temperatures. It has multiple uses and is commonly used in kitchens, industrial maintenance, fire detection and prevention, and also for HVAC servicing and overhauling. It can test temperatures within seconds and of course, accurately. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.